Just to mention, I am on the tail end of a cold. My body's detoxing, so please excuse my funny nasally voice. Today, I actually wanted to talk to you about, just like our bodies go through a detox and our bodies detox in order to maintain physical health, we also need to detox on an energetic level in order to maintain our emotional and mental well-being. So one of the best practices that you can use in order to detox on all the levels, so physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, is breathwork. So breathwork really describes a full range of practices. What I'm going to talk about today is circular connected breath. This style of breath work is great for finding where we're constricted, where we're stuck, where we're holding on, so that we can loosen, feel what's there, release it, and then really stand more in our wholeness, our true self, and the energetic level. And really I'm speaking about on the nervous system level, on the mental level, on the emotional level. These things are all energetic, right? They're not something that we can hold on to. They're not physical, something tangible. They're more on this energy level, how your frequency is, how you're feeling with another person, that relational field. All of these things are what I'm talking about when I talk about the emotional level or the energetic level. Detoxing on that energetic level through breath work can be really powerful. What happens is it's like through this rhythmic breathing, you quiet your mind, drop into the body, and find where that constriction is. Constriction can feel like tightness, heaviness, discomfort. In a breathwork session, what you want to do initially is to expand your energetic container so then you can be with whatever feels denser. So the way I teach people to do that is to get into your body. All of us are taught to really live on that mental level, and it's a practice to come back home to the physical body. And breathwork is a great practice to help us do that. In order to raise your container, your ability to be with difficult emotions or old stories, false beliefs, is to tune into the body. What feels good? Where am I right now? What feels safe? That might be really subtle. There might be a whole feeling of bliss in the whole body. There's a full range, and every time you do this, it will be different. But to bring the mind and awareness to what feels good in the body helps that nervous system feel safe, and that creates a bigger container for you to then be with what doesn't feel good. That might be a heaviness in the chest, butterflies in the stomach, tension in the shoulders or the neck, stuckness in the throat, feeling like you need to clear your throat. These are all places of that constriction. So then to release the constriction, you want to be with what is, not resist it. To find more space in your energy system, you want to be with where the discomfort is, be with what is, and even having a dialogue with it. Maybe there's some tightness, constriction in the throat. Maybe you're clearing your throat on each exhale. It feels a little constricted. What's going on here? You could even inquire, what is this stuckness about? What does it feel like? Oh, it feels like a big rock in my throat. Oh, what is that about? And you might get some insights. Oh, I wasn't allowed to express my anger. There it is. There's something there. So it was really difficult to live in a family where I couldn't express my emotions. Oh, that's really great insight, great awareness. Maybe there's some grief underneath that block that wants to be released, then letting the emotion flow, letting the tears flow. Once you feel that release, it might be an emotional release, it could be twitches, it could be hot or cold feeling. There's this full range of how we release energetically through the body. After that release happens, you then want to bring in more of the goodness, more of what feels good. So noticing, oh, wow, now it feels open. I don't feel that tension. I don't feel that tightness. Oh, wow, what feels good now? So our nervous system likes to titrate between what doesn't feel good, that constriction, and then what does feel good, kind of doing this. So first expanding, feeling into the constriction, allowing the constriction to release, and then feeling that expanse again. So breathwork is a wonderful practice to really tune into your inner wisdom, the wisdom of the physical body. I always say, like, just like your body knows how to heal when you cut your hand and it just knows how to heal, your nervous system also knows how to heal. We just need to get the mental, our chatty minds out and let the nervous system do what it needs to do to release and heal. And that's why breathwork is such a great practice for detoxing on the more energetic levels. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.